best MetaQuest 3 games you need to play. The MetaQuest 3 has taken the virtual reality gaming experience to the next level with its powerful processing capabilities. However, with a vast library of games available, it can be challenging to determine which ones are worth playing. GadInsider's brought you a list of the best MetaQuest 3 games that you shouldn't miss. Beat Saber, a classic VR experience. Beat Saber has been a staple of VR gaming and consistently hits the top of the sales charts. This game has gone through several updates to strengthen the player's experience, including visual enhancements for the Quest 3. It's a great experience whether you're new to the game or a 5-star veteran. Power Wash Simulator VR, relaxing fun. Power Wash Simulator VR gives a strange twist on video gaming because one could simply relax and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. The game includes a lot of maps to which one can easily add themed downloadable content that could be a great fit for players who prefer easy-to-go gameplay. Arizona Sunshine 2, improved VR FPS. Arizona Sunshine 2 is a real improvement upon the classic VR frames per second with its cinematic campaign, refined shooting, and especially in the name of Buddy, which is a lovable companion. Into the Radius, immersive survival FPS. Into the Radius is a first-person survival shooter which offers an immersive experience. This gameplay has been made with inspiration from realistic mechanics that are paying a great deal of attention to exploration and combat. Assassin's Creed Nexus, live assassin fantasy. Assassin's Creed Nexus allows players to become their favorite Assassin's Creed heroes and to experience an intertwined story campaign, playing as Ezio, Connor, and Cassandra.